Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in a Lariat trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, coming with heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires. You've got an FX4 off-road package, but let's take a look inside. First, looking in the back, where you have surprisingly spacious and comfortable seating for three with a nice full leather interior. And the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any of their cargo and reveal storage boxes underneath. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as a manually sliding rear window, and your two USBs and 110-volt power outlet in the middle there. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your controls for your right screen, where you can access your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left you have your controls for your left screen, where you can access your display mode with your tire pressures, average speed, distance to empty, your RPMs with oil temperature, I believe, your off-road status, and digital speedometer. You can also look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, driver assist settings, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle in general. Do also have your cruise controls here with distance pacing technology and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then above your screen you do have a premium Beano audio system in this vehicle, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Then moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then your media controls and your physical climate controls here, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated front seats, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And down below you have two 12-volt power outlets and two USBs, so you can plug something into power charge from there. Then you have some of your other controls here, such as your trail control, which is a sort of cruise control for going over rougher terrain. You have your auto start stop shut off, your locking rear differential, tow haul mode, park assist sensor shut off, traction control shut off, and then your 4x4 selector here with your terrain management system. So you have normal, you have grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. But then moving on to your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, parking brake, and two cup holders. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.